going to be working on an entirely new question.
I think I already know the answer.
That's great, Joey, but I haven't even said the question yet, although I love the fact that you're thinking ahead. That's awesome.
I am not Joey. I am Future Joey! That's right. And wherever there's a math question, I'm sure to have the answer.
Well, I miss my friend regular Joey, but Future Joey, maybe you can help me work through this math riddle.
Of course I can. That's why Future Joey's here.
Perfect. Okay, well, here's our riddle. So Kevin has 5 fewer leaves than Sandy.
Okay.
And Sandy has 5 leaves.
I knew that.
Of course you did. And so here's the challenge. How many leaves does Kevin have?
I already know, but I will...
Let me try? Okay, I see. You'll hold off. I love it. All right, so Kevin has 5 fewer leaves than Sandy, but Sandy has 5 leaves. That's where I want us to start, with Sandy and her 5 leaves. So here they are. They're being blown in.
Oh.
There they are, 5 leaves. Now, Kevin has 5 fewer. That means that we have to now take 5 away from this group. And let's think about that now. So 5 away. Well, there are 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we're going to take 5 away, then I'm going to lasso all of them. So rake up all 5 leaves. And then I'm not only going to rake them up, but I'm actually going to cross them out.
Landscaping is in your future.
Thank you. I totally agree. Landscaping and math, it's all the same thing. But if we take away all 5 of those leaves, then how many leaves are left? That's the challenge. So let's see. How could I write that? I could write that as, start with 5, and then I subtract, because I took away, I subtract 5, and 5 minus 5. So here's a subtraction sentence. If I take 5 things and I remove 5 of them, how many am I left with now?
That is what you will find out. Think about it.
Think about it for yourselves. We'll be right back.
I am the little person.
Well, we hope you gave it a chance to think about it. 5 minus 5 is 0. And so we see the answer is, in fact, 0. And so the question, of course, was how many leaves does Kevin have? Well, he, in fact, has 0 leaves because all there are 0 leaves. 5 minus 5 equals 0. And that's the answer.
That's the answer that I, Future Joey, thought of earlier. Wait. I smell another math question. There's no time to waste, Professor. I must be on my way.
Wait, but Future Joey, before you leave, since you can see into the future, can you tell me what I'm going to be having for dinner tonight?
Of course. You will be having some nice vegetables.
Good.
A roasted chicken.
Good.
Oh, and you'll be inviting your hungry friend Joey to join you.
Aha, my hungry friend Joey. Well, I wish I knew where he was. All I have is Future Joey. Maybe we can find Hungry Joey.
I will go get him.
Have fun with math, and we'll see you soon. Oh, Hungry Joey.